Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about that how we can make thumbnail on our mobile and very good and high quality thumbnail. So if you don't know what is thumbnail, let me tell you. So friends, the picture which you may see in the front of my videos before you played, this type of pictures are known as thumbnail, which are shown before the video is played. So in this video I am going to tell you about an app which we may use to create thumbnail. So let's start our video. So guys, here we are on our mobile screen. The name of this app is Pixel app. Simply download it from Play Store. The link will be also in the description. Let's open it. It says confirmation before it asks me to load the previously edited thumbnail. I am cancelling because we are going to create a new one. Let's rotate the mobile screen and now we may start. Now we have selected new text. Let's delete it by clicking on the bin icon. Click OK to confirm. Now the first thing which we will have to do is to click on three dot use image from gallery. Now it will open our file manager. Now I select one of the pictures. Now simply click on tick and select it. Now the most of all important part. Click on three dot, click image size, and this is the most important. Click on this and click on the thumbnail size. We are creating YouTube thumbnail, so click on it, YouTube thumbnail, and click on OK. It is not changes because the picture I chose was already thumbnail sized. Otherwise, if the picture is small or big, the software will automatically crop it. Now let's add something new. Click on plus, and now we will click on, let's suppose we will click on text. As you can see, new text has been created. We can make it big, small, and edit, complete edit. Now let's put some text in it. Let's us write something like, let's create a thumbnail. If you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now we will click on this double T type icon to put that text in capital or uncapital. Now OK, and we have the text. We will set it, crop it, make it big or short. It is our decision. Okay, done. Now let's select it and see there are many type of options which we will need to use in here. And suppose we choose color and I put it black. Now there we still go and you can just opacity, I mean the how much the text will be visible, and we go into style, put it bold, and let's choose both, I mean all the options given below, and we will choose the font. Let's set a font which I decided correctly, not correctly, I mean currently. Well, now we have selected this font. Now let's go forward, and you can also apply background and many other options which we have available in here. And also you can explore after downloading this app. There are many. Now let's add something more. Like just we will click on plus and from gallery option choose will be chosen here. Choose to put an overlay. For example, I choose this one, and this is a background less image. I will also tell you again after this that how we can remove background from any picture. We can crop it. There are different type of ratios available. You can choose whichever you want and then click on it, tick and set it like you want, as you want to be selected. Going to explore something more. There are also stickers available. You can choose the sticker you want. For example, I choose this glasses and put it on the eyes of the character. Again, click on plus button and choose draw. You can draw anything on the thumbnail you want, but we don't want to, so we cancel it. And again plus and put shapes. There are many shapes available. You can also create your own, but this function is not available actually right here. So let's add now another picture and remove its background. Click on plus, choose from gallery, and let's pick a random picture. So guys, I have chosen this picture in this video, here. So now we will simply put it somewhere where we may want it to. Now to remove the background, we will click the image and go in here and search for this erase color option. Click on it, enable it, and it will may erase one of the colors, but you have to select one of the color. So select for example, I choose this one, and look, it is disappeared. It is not difficult. If we have changed our decision and don't want to change this color, then we again go in option and click on here, and now we will may choose, for example, I choose the arms, and look, it gives a very beautiful display on and attraction on the thumbnail. Actually, the things which you may put in that thumbnail depends on what thumbnail are you going to make, and there are still more options according to everything which you can use. The options other which are available are, I'm going to show you that you can check what you have put in here. In the thumbnail, well, everything you can choose grid, zoom, and you can zoom, and after you can zoom, you can edit deeply if you have been problem and view problem and anything other. You can deeply edit it. It won't be any problem and error or bugs, anything like that. You can also choose lines from your own by simply clicking on here. You can see which icon I clicked, and there are many lines, but we don't need it. Is not necessary to because always we write our own line. Click on this pic and save as image. Now click save to gallery, and your picture will be saved. Now let me show you some of the pictures which I have recently created. My thumbnails, it's slideshow. So these are some of my recent works I have done. So kindly subscribe to my channel and support me by subscribing, like this video, and comment if you wanted to say, and kindly put a topic in the comment at which I make the next video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and maybe meet in the next video.